Hello guys, when a particular cryptocurrency is on the 24 hours top gainers on Binance, two things happens. Of course, we already know that particular token might have done well. That is why it is on the top chart. It might have done 50%, 40%, 30%, even 20% at that point, depending on the movement of the markets in general, right? Now, when you have something like that, two things can happen at that point. Is it that you're going to experience another great pump, or there's going to be a drastic fall? This falling or pumping that happens in few seconds is what I leverage on and make a lot of profits. You can make thousands of dollars from these few seconds trading. And because there is a lot of volatility in the market at that point, it can increase how much you make in a very short period of time. Yes, there are a lot of risks involved in it as well, which is why I want to teach us how you can greatly, maximize this opportunity and make money from it. We're going to be employing some strategies that will help you reduce risk and take the best or the most minimal risks possible. If what I've said so far interests you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure you see this video to the end because you will not want to miss what I'm about to share with you. This is Binance application, and I'm going to be showing us how to access the top gainers on Binance if you don't know how to get there. All right, we are at the home page. When you click on market, you're going to see an interface that will show you what is happening in the market. You can see the highlights coin, new listings, top gainers. This top gainers is a combination of both the sports contracts and the perpetual contracts. All right, for the sake of this video, we are going to be making this analysis based on futures contracts, which is the perpetual contract. You can also apply this strategy to spot trading. Say you want to just buy and sell when price goes up. Do well to see this video also to the end because it is going to help you make money on the spot trade. When you click on the futures market, it is going to show you tokens that are on futures contracts. All right, you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and WLD, the rest of them. So we're just going to click on this 24 hours change. No, we want from the top. All right, so this is it. We have the Jlj.cc, which is leading the market with 13.55%. We have the AMB USDT, which is following with 6.6%. And you can see WLD USDT. You can see their 24 hours volume. This is 279.6 million. This is 96.0 million. I'm going to be explaining the impact of these volumes later as we continue this video, so I indulge you to watch to the end. All right, let me quickly show us how to access these top gainers on your mobile devices. So this is Binance on mobile phone. You can see I am at the home page. All right, on the taskbar you would see home, market, trades, and futures. So we're just going to click on the futures market. You're going to click perpetual contract where you see CRV USDT. You're going to see the coin pairs listed according to how well they are doing in the past 24 hours. You can see J USDT and AMB just the way it is on our PC. All right, so the next thing you want to do is go into the J, which is the leading token right now. Let's see what is happening. This is a one-day candlestick chart for J USDT. We're going to make some analysis and I'll show us how to take advantage of this market as it is. We're also going to check out other projects and try to understand exactly what is happening in the market. Okay, to start with, let me try to view this using the trading view. Right, it gives a better picture, and I'm just going to increase my screen. There are two reasons why we are possibly having this kind of movement for the token right now. Number one, positive news about this token that is making people buy it, as a result giving this great pump. Or are we coming out of an all-time low or from a demand zone? We are just about to check that out. By me looking at the screen, you can see that lower low or the lowest point for this trend is here, and this is where we are having the pump. So we want to confirm if this is as a result of a positive news about J USDT. So I just want to check out what is happening in this project and what is the big deal. Why are we having a pump in the market? Okay, you can see the chart here. We've been bullish for a while, and then it seems like a proper or a normal retracement. So I'm just going to click on the news. Is anybody saying anything? The last comment here was on the 19th of September, which is not recent. This means there is no news available on CoinMarketCap. It is possible to see information or news about this project when you check on other social media platforms like Telegram or Twitter. You can get information, but most times I do check first on CoinMarketCap before probably checking Twitter to make sure there is no news. Now that we have verified there is no news about this coin at the moment, for the one-day time frame, we are already breaking out, which is like a trend reversal for this guy. Okay, we went all the way here, and do you think we are coming back to, test this zone? Usually when a particular cryptocurrency experiences a sharp pump, okay, there is a reversal in price. I mean, when it pumps, it also dumps, giving a very long shadow. When you see a very long shadow like we have here, okay, it is a sign of a reversed market. So this is the shadow and this is the body. Now, when you have a longer shadow, I mean a shadow that is longer than the body, okay, it is a reversal signal. So at this point, when I see this, I am going to be shorting this token. And as you can see from here, we had a fall. But when I see a big body like this and a small shadow, it indicates continuation of trend. If the buyers are winning with this kind of big body, it means I am going to be longing this trade, hoping to get to the next stop. Where is the next stop? It should be at this resistance level, which we already marked. It is 0.449. This candlestick still looks bullish, and you shouldn't be making a mistake of going into this trade as a short. No matter what is happening, know that there is volume in the market, and what this implies is that buyers are already winning. Considering that we tested 0.449 and came back to 0.327, we are breaking out, as usual. When you're trading in a volatile market, you would want to use a low leverage and also a low margin. You should never use more than 10x. In fact, you would want to try 5x and use not more than 5% of your portfolio. All right, that way you're not going to be kicked out of the market. So like I said, one way to take advantage of a volatile market is monitor the sharp movements and give your analysis based on the closure of the candlestick. If you're going to be using 4 hours, then you would want to consider the body and the shadow of the closed candlestick, considering the volatility at that moment. So if we go to 1 hour, on the 1 hour candlestick, you can see that right here is a very bullish candlestick. You can see that sellers are not really much in the market, and somehow it is gradually, making a higher high. Right, it is very important also that whenever you are trading on a volatile market, you want to set your stop loss and your take profit. Right, the reason you need to do this is because the price movement usually happens so quick that it would be almost impossible for you to execute any trade even while you are monitoring your chart. Okay, so you want to make sure you have a standby order for execution. So always set your take profit and stop loss. When it happens, you're going to be in gain. So let's check the second leading crypto token on the futures platform right now. Okay, after the Storj USDT, we have, okay, let me change this price. So yep, we have the WLD right now. I think before now it was AMD, but WLD USDT overtook, and it is now at 7.4%. You can see the volume of this particular token is over 1 million, and what it means is that a lot of persons are already in this market. When a lot of persons are already in this market, two things can happen. Number one, it's either they are going to dump this real quick because a lot of persons already got that token, or if the token is coming out of an all-time low or a downtrend, this volume can indicate a lot of buyers in the market and help push the price forward. I believe by now you should know what happens when a project is overpriced. A lot of persons are still holding this token, so you also want to be checking the volume to know, well, at this point, are people selling or they are still holding? What is the news? Don't forget to go check out the news. Let's try to identify the nearest resistance level. $2 is very possible right now. All right, so this is one way to take advantage of the market. When you see volume and volatility, you can see we are slightly going above the previous top, which is 1.73. Always watch out for the shadow and the body. When there is a sharp price movement upward and it closes with a longer shadow, it's going to be a time for reversal. And when there is a bigger body compared to the shadow, don't make a mistake of going against the trend. It's simply tell that the buyers or the sellers are winning the market. It doesn't matter if the candlestick is red or green. All right, what matters the most is whether the sellers are winning or the buyers are winning. So you want to pay attention to that. I believe this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right, also subscribe to my channel if you have not. You can also drop in the comment section if there is any question, if you have any question, or there is something you still want me to make video about. I'll see to them as soon as I can. Thank you, and thank you for watching.